Hello everyone and welcome back to Annie's Curried Life and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. So today's video is about COVID-19 essentials that I carry in my bag every day. So without much further ado, let's get started with the video. So first thing first, here is my bag and this is the one which I carry every day. So first of all, let me tell you something about this bag. This is a jute bag and friends, you won't believe, can you guess how old is this bag? Okay, let me tell you, this bag is 10-year-old. Yes friends, you won't believe, yes. So this is the bag which I bought like 10 years ago when I just started my career, and I was very new to this job world and I started earning for myself. So I had this fascination about handbags, and there was this store called Coast which produces eco-friendly bags. Like all the bags in their stores are made of jute. So this is one of the bag which is still there with me, and yes, why I'm using this bag in this pandemic is because this is a bag which is washable. So every 15 days I wash this bag. So yes, this is the bag from a brand called Coast, C-O-A-S-T, and they produce all eco-friendly bags made of jute. Alright, so what's inside my bag that I carry during this pandemic situation? Basically the COVID-19 essentials. So let me take out the first item that I carry. Alright, okay, this is my purse, so nothing to show. So let me show you the first item. Alright, the first item is a very important item, which is this mask. So I've started wearing these cloth mask, which is like quite breathable, and it's very comfortable basically. So earlier I had one more mask which is black in color and it has kind of a synthetic cloth inside, which I don't feel comfortable wearing it, and it's very difficult to breathe when I wear a specs, even because I have to wear a specs when I'm working. So this is one mask that I bought from Myntra, and I love it because it's very comfortable and also it is stylish. I'll show you what are the other designs I have. Alright, so the second item here is this sanitizer. This is a sanitizer which is from the brand Lifebuoy, and it is in the form of a spray. It's useful because I had to board local cabs as well, like an Ola or a Uber one way, and I prefer to spray the handles of the door and then open the door and sit, and also again sanitize the door. Alright, so the third item is this sanitizer. So this is a sanitizer from the brand called Shri Shri Tattva, and I keep this in my desk, on my desk basically. So whenever I am kind of sitting for my work, I sanitize my hands, and then again I start working, or whenever I'm kind of using or I had to hold on to other papers and everything, I always make sure that I'm sanitizing my hands. So this is there just right in front of my eyes on my desk. Just after I reach office, I like to keep all these things on my table ready. Okay, what's the fourth item that I have? Okay, this is one item which I always carry. It's a toilet seat sanitizer. So a toilet is something is used by everybody when you are at your workplace. So I like to spray this toilet seat sanitizer before I use a public toilet, or the toilet which is at my workspace. But yes, this is an essential item which I like to carry every time, and not because of this pandemic situation only. Okay, and the last item which I carry is, I've not kept inside the bag because it's something disposable. So hand gloves, and I bought this hand gloves from Nykaa.com, and it's from the brand called Micro Touch Nitril N30. So there are pairs of gloves. I take one each day, and it's like disposable. So the one day I use it and I just throw it, and I use a fresh one. Alright, so these are the essential COVID items that I like to carry on my bag, and also I make sure that I use a bag which is washable, and every 15 days I am able to wash this bag, and also make sure that you sanitize your mask that you wear, every 3 days or 2 days in hot water with good detergent and also disinfectant liquid. Alright friends, this was all about the COVID-19 essentials that I carry on my bag every day. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also hit that bell button for receiving notifications of all my videos. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.